Alright, you guys ready? It would be funny if they broke that. Guys, you ready? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! I got it here, you got it. The deuce! No, empty mag! Ah, got me. Nice, Henry, nice. Oh, got me on the camera. Trollolo, got you once, got you twice, 3 times.
We lost one.
Yeah. Oh snap, that was close. Ah, got me. Welcome to the dark side. We switching up. Ah, son of a gun, I'm out of ammo. We good?
Yeah.
Alright. I got you, Andrew.
I think. Now we're hitting someone else. Very good.
Get him. YOLO dodging!
I hit you.
Oh, okay. I got me in the leg.
I got
Son
you.
of a gun, nail's tough. Got you once. Got you on it twice. Got you on mine once. Got you on 3 times. Got me once, got me. Damn it. Me dropping everything.
Very nice, man. That's you, Mr. President.
Jeremiah has at least 1 hit on him.
I got him once at least.
Oh, okay.
Maybe twice, I'm not sure. Go back. I think I may need some cover here.
I got you. I'm running out of ammo, surprisingly. Down to 2 clips. Roar! Got you once. Stop it! Got you twice! Shoot him, Andrew, shoot him!
I'll tell you the last code.
Gotcha. Trollo.
Now,
This crazy guy.
did some get shot in here?
Couple darts, it's cool. We'll find him. I'll tell you the launch codes.
You got him cornered, boys.
Got Jeremiah. Yay, victory! Mother beeping victory.
Oh man.
Sweet.
I'm going to the dunny back there, okay?
Go for it.
Want to hold my gun for a second?
Yeah, I'm putting it around here because we're gonna ammo up here. Sweet victory. You guys put up a fight there. Almost ran out of ammo.